Now this is really exciting, part of a new range of toys by RiiRoo. Give your little driver a stylish ride with this cool RiiRoo VenomSV 12V quad bike. Designed just like the real vehicle, this ATV can go up to 5 km an hour and is decked out with LED lights and a Bluetooth music player. This is the ideal birthday gift for your children. It's so easy to ride with a chunky foot pedal and instant stop and release brake. It's suitable for children of up to 9 years of age or up to 133 cm in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, startup engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, functioning horn.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. We give our customers the option to purchase our key-shaped USB sticks, which are compatible with this ride-on's onboard media player. All-wheel suspension maintains ride comfort on uneven surfaces. The low-high speed settings is great for those who aren't confident in their new ride. The Bluetooth connectivity features allows you to connect a phone or tablet to play music. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at riiroo.com, where we offer free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.